What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony, and are you looking for the best niches to promote with Clickbank? Well, I'm going to jump behind my computer. I'm going to explain to you a little bit about how choosing a niche with Clickbank works and what are possibly the best niches for you to get into, okay? So if I was going to start affiliate marketing today, I would remember these three niches, these three markets, these three categories: health, wealth, and love. Those pain points always seem to resonate with people. Those will always do well. So for example, after you've created your Clickbank account, you're going to want to log in and go to the marketplace for categories, and you're going to want to look up some of the top topics or categories. So starting with health, so we were going to scroll down to health and fitness, and I would click that open. As soon as I would click that open, I would start to see all of the products that you can promote. Okay, so first things to remember when you're going to start advertising a product with Clickbank is you want to check the gravity and you want to check the reviews. Okay, so for me personally, I would not promote anything with a gravity of less than 30. So like, what is a gravity? A gravity is basically going to be all of the affiliates currently promoting that Clickbank product who have made a sale within the last 30 days, okay? If the gravity, let's say, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means, 3, 4, 5 people have made a sale within the last 30 days. If there's a gravity of over 30, I know that there's money to be made in that with that product because people are actively doing it, okay? So that would be a good place to start. Next, once you find that product, you're going to want to go over to YouTube. You're going to want to type in that product's name, and then you're going to want to put review at the end. This is going to give you all of the videos that have a review on that video. You're going to want to do some research, go through, watch a few of those videos, take 10, 15, 20 minutes out of your day to watch those videos and see what they're actually talking about. Is this a good product to promote? Is it a bad product to promote? If it's a bad product to promote, find out why it's a bad product to promote. Okay? If it's got 100 bad reviews and saying that as soon as they bought this product, it's a complete waste of money, I wouldn't promote that product. Okay, I don't care how good that it converts once you promote it. If you're going to get chargebacks or refunds, I wouldn't promote that product. Okay, so I'd find something with that is good to promote, that people are actually giving good reviews on, because you have to remember, you're going to get behind this product. Okay, so anytime you promote an affiliate product, you are going to be representing this brand. You're going to be representing this product. I wouldn't want to sell you guys a bad product if I know it wasn't going to work, right? Okay, that's just not how you build good relationships. So as soon as you find a product that you're going to want to promote, I would look at the reviews. After you're done and you've established what product that it is that you want to promote, from there, I would get your hop link, which a hop link for Clickbank is your unique affiliate link. You're going to be using this link to promote that product, and then you're going to start building your business around that. So after you get your affiliate link, what is the next step after you do that? The next step after you do that is obviously driving traffic to that affiliate link. Okay, so here's a really big problem that a lot of new internet marketers, affiliate marketers, anybody who's promoting anything or selling anything online. Here's a problem that a lot of people make. You find the product that you want to promote, you start to find the people, the audience that you are targeting and that you're going to send them to your affiliate link, and the problem is that you send them directly to the sales page. Okay, if maybe this was 10 years ago, that would have worked a little bit better. The conversion rates would have been a little bit higher. However, people are not generally going to make a purchase the first time they go to that store. Okay, they're going to be obviously doing some shopping. They're going to obviously do the same thing as you and look for reviews. They're going to obviously try to find as much research about this product as possible. So what you want to do is position yourself in front of that market to be an expert in that market and for that product, and give them as much information as possible on that product so they can make the best possible buying decision. Okay, so after you find the product that you want to promote, you are probably going to either want to make a review post and post that to your blog. If you don't have a blog, I would highly recommend going over to WordPress, setting up a blog, getting that going. If you don't like to write, you don't want to do a lot of research, what you can do is pull up about 3 or 4 key topics that you want to discuss in your blog post. Go over to Fiverr.com. You can find a bunch of freelancers that charge you 5, 10, 15 bucks to write you an article. Okay, Fiverr.com, you can go to them and you can scroll through their reviews, see those freelancers that are currently writing articles for other people, and get a few articles written up and post those on your blog. If you want to go the other route and you want to take the YouTube route, which I would personally recommend, I would definitely get the product or get as much information about the product as possible, and then I would want to make a review video on that product, okay? So while you were doing your research on Clickbank, if you found a few products that weren't selling so well or there was a lot of negative reviews, what I would try to do is go ahead and make a review video reviewing those 2-3 other products that did not get a lot of great reviews. And then at the end of your video, hey, but this product works and this product is a lot better. And then I would make them the pitch on the product that you're promoting that you know works and that you stand behind. That's one way to do it. Obviously, making one video and putting it on YouTube or one blog post and putting it on your blog is not going to generate you a ton of traffic, not going to generate you a ton of sales, obviously. So the thing to remember is that when you create a piece of content, you want to be creating great pieces of content daily, okay? Me personally, starting out, I would do at least a video a day. I would do a blog post a day, okay? That's what I would do, because once you start to post those pieces of content out there on the internet, you start to build little pieces of real estate for yourself that could allow a sale in 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, a year down the road, okay? If you go to YouTube right now and type in a basic keyword, how to lose weight, you're going to find videos from 2, 3, 4 years ago. Click that description. I guarantee you that they're going to have a link in their description to go over to the product or that they're promoting or selling. And I guarantee you they're probably, making sales today still, okay? So just because you post that one piece of content on the internet doesn't necessarily mean you're going to make sales tomorrow, okay? It's a process, guys. You have to build up the content, build up the relationships with people. So that would be the first way that I would get started. Obviously, when you want to get started, you don't want to spread your attention and energy too thin. So I wouldn't go out there and try to promote 10 different products in 10 different niches. I would choose one niche, okay? I would start off with one niche. As soon as you start to have success with that one niche, then I would switch over to another. Once you know that you're driving enough traffic to make daily or weekly sales with that one product in that specific niche, I would move to another niche. Remember, health, wealth, and love, okay? So any products that have to do relating with relationships or self-help or personal growth or mindset, those are all going to be great products to get behind. Anything that has to do with weight loss, diet, fitness, eating healthy, those are also going to be great products to get behind. And also the biz op market, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, driving traffic, social media is huge. All of those products I would get behind as well and start to promote. If you guys are completely new to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, selling stuff online, creating your own business, I'm going to leave a link in the description to my own personal book that I've written, Internet Marketing Profits. That's going to go over everything that you're going to need to know about internet marketing and how you can get started making money. Also, if you're looking to take it a step further and actually build your business out and get it completely automated and streamlined so that you can make passive income, you're going to want to create a sales funnel. And if you don't know what a sales funnel is, it's not just getting an affiliate link and sending them over to an affiliate product. That's having an audience, sending them to a landing page where you can actually give them something for free, give them some value, put yourself in front of those people, collect their email address so you can build a relationship further, and then send them offers over time. You can set up automated emails, you can set up product reviews, you can show them webinars, you can do all sorts of things, build membership sites, whatever you want to do. I personally use ClickFunnels for that. I'm also going to leave my link in the description below. You can get started today. It's free to sign up. They're going to get you 14 days in there so you can try out everything and see the way that software works. It's a great software. A lot of top affiliate marketers use it. If this is your first time to the video, you're going to want to go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, because I do drop videos every single day talking about different aspects of affiliate marketing and internet marketing and just the overall how to create an income stream so you can leave your 9 to 5 behind, okay? This is 2019, not 1985. So many people are making money online. It's very easy to make money online once you understand the basic principles, okay? But just like when I started, there's going to be a lot of failure in the beginning. You're going to get so much information overload. The number one thing I can tell you is to just get started. Take the information that you do know and just get started, okay? So guys, if you're looking for the top niches to get involved in, health, wealth, and love. Until next time, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.